Welcome back, guys! Today, I'll show you how to connect Slack to Trello using Integrately. Great for creating Trello cards directly from Slack messages. First, log into your Integrately account to get started. To get started, search for and select Slack as your first app. Then search for and choose Trello as your second. From the list of available one-click automations, find Create Trello Card for new Slack message and click Activate. First, connect your Slack account. After signing in, you'll need to select the specific channel that will trigger this automation. Next, connect your Trello account. Once authorized, you'll select the board where you want to create new cards. In the Automation Builder, you'll need to map the required fields. Select the correct list for your card and map the card name using data from your Slack message. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. You will see a confirmation that your process is live. That's it! Slack to Trello setup in just a few clicks with Integrately. Like, subscribe, and check the description link for details.